Hi, I'm Dr. Pruner with Foot and Ankle Associates of North Texas, and today we're here at University of North Texas's campus to show you how to use your walking boot going up and down the stairs. So whenever you're using any kind of a walking boot, there's a really easy way to remember which foot you put first going up or down the stairs. Whenever you are going up the stairs, think of a dog. Whenever a dog is good, you say, good, come up, and let them jump on something. But if they're bad, you tell them to get down. So good, up means good leg first goes up the stairs, and bad, down means bad leg first goes down the stairs. So we're gonna start demonstrating for going up the stairs. So whenever you have a stairwell, you always need to find the handrails, and you always need to use the handrails. If you have one, then you can only use one, but if you have two, kind of like this one here, that's even better. All right, so it's gonna be good up, so good foot first, because this foot is doing the work, while this foot in the back, that's the bad leg, stays stable. And so you use good up, and you never use more than one step at a time. You only go one step forward at a time. So again, good up, and you take a step, and then you stabilize your bad foot down. Now, if you're partial weight bearing, the reason that a rail is extremely important is because there is a moment clearly that your bad leg is on the only one that's standing. So if you're partial weight bearing, you need to transfer at least 50% of your body weight through your arms. So make sure that they're even with your body, okay? And so you do good, and you see I'm putting pressure here on my arms, and then you push up like so, okay? And so we're gonna do that again. Arms even with your body, good up. I'm putting pressure here through my arms instead of standing and putting pressure on my bad leg and going up. One more time, good up and boot down. All right, so now we're gonna practice going down. So whenever you're going down, remember, bad down. So you start with your bad leg first. And it's because whenever you put your foot forward, it's your foot that's going to be bending. So that keeps this leg essentially straight and protected the whole time to put you at less risk for injuring yourself. So let's go ahead and start. Handrails, of course. So you secure yourself, weight through your arm if you need to, bad down. You set it down, and then you put your good foot down. Same thing, hands protecting yourself, weight through. If you're partial weight bearing, you need to be using your arms more for this step right here, so that your arms are taking the weight instead of your leg taking the weight while you're standing on just one leg. So again, bad down and good foot down, bad down, good foot down. Only one stair at a time anytime you're in a boot of any kind. This is for safety. It's very dangerous to fall. As you can see, you could hit your head or easily break something else. We hope you enjoyed our video today, and if you're in the DFW area, come and visit us at Foot and Ankle Associates of North Texas. Go Mean Green!